Right, welcome back to your channel. I am doing something different tonight. I am trying to film, have my first go doing cruise liners coming down the Mersey. So tonight the Mein Schiff 3 is about to leave the pier head. Sorry, just checking where I am, that's all. So waiting for it to go past and get some footage of it going past down the Mersey. Hopefully it's interesting enough, and I'll give a little bit of information about it as it's going down. Okay, so off we go. See what kind of footage we can get of it. It's a big old boat, I know that. It's really going nice and slow, so I might get some good footage of it going past if my battery lasts that long. It's really impressive to look at. So this is built in 2014, this boat, and at the moment it's got 2,700 passengers on board and 1,000 crew. It's a lot of people, but it is a big boat. So this set off from Bremerhaven on a round trip on the 8th of August. I'll be returning there on the 20th of August. It's a lovely looking boat. Let's try and get as much footage as I can. I'm going to start doing these in a day so I can get some, describe what I'm seeing basically. So I can get over it and have a look down at the top of it just so I can see onto it. I've tried doing boats before with me Maverick Mini, and it cut out, the signal cut out, so I'm not sure if it interferes with the drone signal. But yeah, there it goes. So this has been to Invergordon, Kirkwall, Greenock and Belfast. It came into Liverpool this morning and it's leaving now. There she goes there. See the swimming pool on top. Tomorrow morning it'll be in Guernsey, then Southampton, and returning to Bremerhaven on the 20th of August. That's all the info I have on that for now. So I'm just going to try and get as much footage of it before it leaves us. So let's get a skirt round. It's a great shot, that. Right. Oh, there we go. Right over the top of it. Amazing. Just glad my drone can go faster than it at the moment. Right. Let's spin it round and have another look at it. Okay. we'll pitch up the camera. Skate round it. Trying to look at. I'm just letting the boat do all the talking for me. There it is, back around the back of it. Let's tilt the camera up to see where it's heading. There she goes. Up the Mersey, into the Irish Sea, and off to Guernsey. There's the city at night. Looks so much different at night. Right, I'm going to let the boat leave now, and I'm going to return the drone back to me, so I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, I'll do more daytime and nighttime, so thanks for watching. It's only a short one. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.